I just want to pass these around. These are puffed kamut and puffed millet. And what you can do, how you make these is you need to cook them and completely dry them, and then you can fry them, and they puff right up like this. So I just wanted to kind of show a different way of eating more whole grains. But this is great for a breakfast cereal. It's great to add to a granola. It's great to put on top of a salad for a crunch instead of a crouton. So I really like those, and I just wanted to kind of, you don't see them very often.
Can you go through how you did that?
Yeah. So what I did is I cooked them like pasta. Like I brought water to a boil. I cooked them until they were completely done, which the kamut takes about 45 minutes. The millet is much faster. It's about 20 minutes. Then I put them out on a sheet tray, and I just put them in my gas oven overnight to dehydrate them with just the pilot, like no heat or anything, just to dehydrate them, or if you have a dehydrator, putting them on there. And then the next day I got a pot. Oh no, are you okay?
Oh, I'm sorry I spilled all of it.
Sorry about that. And then, so 350 degrees on the oil, you take, they actually puff up a lot. You saw how small the millet was and then how big it becomes. So you take just a couple tablespoons at a time, put them in the 350 degree oil. They take no time at all, just puff right up, and then you take them out and put them on paper towels to cool. Yeah. You can salt them too, or add sugar to them if you want. Yeah. Well, I was hoping to just kind of show you guys all the different ways that you can incorporate more whole grains into your diet. They recommend that you have about 48 at least grams of whole grains every day. And what that's going to do is it's going to keep your digestion moving. It's going to, we can't digest fiber. We don't have the enzymes for it. So it passes through your system, and it just kind of keeps things moving along. And in the, hi, it's okay, welcome. It keeps things moving along, and it's supposed to be really good for lowering inflammation and fighting off disease.